5, 4, 3, 2.
No, you go 3. Hi, adventurers. It's a snow day, so we
Kind of.
Well, it's snowing, so we thought we would do a home vlog, but we wanted to share some of our travel bags with you. So we are doing a very exciting trip this year, and I don't want to tell you too much about it, but we're traveling in the spring, late spring, early summer, internationally, and the air carrier that we're using has very strict carry-on rules, and we bought the cheapest ticket, which means we can only bring carry-on. So we had to go shopping for some suitable carry-on bags.
Or travel bags that meet the requirements for this budget airline.
The maximum dimensions for the carry-ons for this airline is 21.6 inches by 15.7 by 7.8 inches deep. Maximum of 22 pounds. And if you've flown it all, you know most airlines have, I think, a depth of 9 inches and a height of 22. So this was challenging. None of the carry-ons that we own fit in those dimensions. So I wanted to show you what we ended up with. The first bag, you want to grab that? This bag is from Amazon. It is from the Skyway luggage company. It has a handle here, a handle here. It has a strap for over the shoulder or crossbody. The dimensions of this bag are 19.75 by 14 by 7, so well within the limits that we're allowed.
Also, we wanted to go for some soft-sided bags because we figured that there could be some give. So if they are completely full, like if you have a hard bag, you're not going to be able to try to squeeze it in because it's just that's the way it's going to be.
If we take a look at this, it's got the Velcro to hold the straps together, which is really great. It's got a front pouch for passports, sunglasses, headphones. It's got a larger, just an open
Pocket. It's got another pocket. Yeah, pocket up front for just like if you have maybe a tablet, some itinerary, a book, maybe your like a jacket, whatever like that can fit right in there. Stuff you need to grab real quick.
You could put your toiletries in the outside pocket so that when you're going through TSA, you can just grab it out instead of having to open up your main compartment, which you might not really want to do when you're trying to go through security with your shoes off and or your electronics. So the great thing about it, first of all,
is that it opens up kind of like a regular suitcase.
Yeah, and look at this awesome retro plaid. This is not an expensive bag, you guys, but it's got just these nice little details. I love the vintage look of it. It's got the compression strap, so it'll really have everything held down securely. It also has these latches, so I guess, yeah, what you do is put it through and then put all your stuff in, compress it down, and it flips open, so it's like a little suitcase, okay? So you can fit really a lot of things in here. It's got pockets here for shoes or whatever you want to do, more pockets that have this little elastic closure over the top to hold everything completely secure. So this bag got great reviews on Amazon. I will put the link to it down here. Like I said, it was under $100, pretty economical. And the one last thing about it, well, it's got a laptop sleeve, padded laptop sleeve, and also if you're running through the airport trying to connect, you just want to throw it on your back.
Backpack style.
Backpack style. So it clips down at the bottom. It's got nice really, really padded straps.
And the back right here is padded also, with that
Weird.
retro pattern on the inside is also a pad. So if you do have to carry it on your back, or you want to, if you're gonna put a laptop or a tablet back here, it's going to be protected.
Yeah.
Then also probably for another security measure, because it's like, well, if you have this towards you, somebody cannot rip off your laptop that easily.
Right.
Because a lot of people, are saying that there is some European cities that you have to be on your game. Well, not on your game, but just be aware of your surroundings, that there's sometimes nefarious people that are going to try to pickpocket, maybe try to steal your luggage, etc., etc.
And then the last thing is it's got a pass-through strap so you can sit it on top of your checked luggage. We'll get one checked bag, so we can sit that on top of there. So it's the Skyway Luggage Company 4-way convertible bag. And yeah, so this is our first one. All right, next. So next up is the Patagonia Tres MLC bag. MLC stands for Maximum Legal Carry-On. The dimensions of this bag is, now remember the dimensions we're trying to fit are 21.6 by 15.7 by 7.8. This is 21 by 16 by 6.7. So it's what, about 1/3 of an inch over in length, but since it's soft-sided, it should easily be able to fit into the metal box. This is called a convertible briefcase, I believe. It's 45 liters. Again, it's got a lot of the cool extra little pouches and pockets like the other one has. This has a little bit more organized outside pockets. It's got several little slots for like a passport. It's got, you can put food in here, your snacks for the trip, electronics. This would be great for a phone, for a notebook, a journal. You could, again, put your toiletries out here so that you don't have to open your main bag. Open the main pocket, that is. It's got an even more outside pocket for other things that you just want to grab during your trip.
Then we come to the big main compartment. This is going to be much like the Skyway. It is going to open up also. But then you have this flap, so you can hopefully separate some of your items. Yeah. That way you can put all your all your
you could put shoes in there.
Shoes, yeah.
Sure.
And then you can use this as, instead of compression straps, you can zip it up to close it, but you can still see through it.
Yeah, you sure can. And again, it's got these little zippered off pouches that you can put all kinds of stuff in. It's got this right here. So even more, I don't know, I mean, we'll have to see what happens but there's just so many little areas.
Right, to keep yourself organized, or,
yeah,
or maybe like, yeah, if you could put your unmentionables back there, so when you're
Right.
going through, they can just say like, oh, there's their unmentionables back there, your dirties.
Right.
Whatever. Your little back area also for like your
laptops,
etc.
So as far as straps, you've got this strap which has got the really nice, so you can just unsnap it on both sides. It's got a handle there for throwing it into the overhead. It's got a zip pass-through pocket, so this can go on top of your wheeled luggage. And once again, it's got the straps for a backpack.
Oh, it comes out of here.
Yep, and they kind of poke out of the bottom here. So that's our other carry-on, Patagonia Tres MLC.
And that was, Patagonia has their I don't know if it's semi-annual, twice a year sale. So they have like a winter clearance sale. So a lot of the stuff is up to 50% off. Sometimes it's kind of the weird colors. We got a navy one, which is not such a weird color, but it was a really good deal. And also, always been a big fan of Patagonia. Quality. Stand behind everything that they make. There's people that swear by the stuff and used it for 20 plus years, 30 plus years.
Yeah.
So.
And the other thing is, keep an eye out because we got it on sale, and then a week later or 2 weeks later, it went down even further. So if it's within
14 days.
14 days, and the price goes down, they will match that price. So if it's a sale item, keep an eye on it for it to go down again. And then of course we're huge fans of packing cubes. I don't think we're going to be able to use this size. I mean, I don't know what the point would be, but we have our packing cube sets with several sizes to help keep everything super, super organized. Packing cubes are great if you're doing a lot of skipping around from one place to another because all you have to do is
all my t-shirts are in this one.
Right, shirts in here, pants in here, underwear in your other one, and then just grab an outfit each day, zip it back up, and put it back in.
Like if you're just going to be traveling for one day, like when you get off the plane, here's my outfit when we land. It's right here, right on the top, so I don't have to worry about it and dig through, which is very important.
And these packing cubes are from eBags, and they're out of the 3 sets that we have. I think, we have 2 sets from eBags, but the fabric is so nice and thick. It's like a ripstop, and it's just it's got the little carrying case, so very good quality. I'll put a link to this set in the description down below. What's next, Todd?
The Heritage Tote.
Yep, so this is our bag for when we are in our undisclosed location. It's a major city, huge European city. And we've been reading a lot about pickpockets and just how sometimes you can feel a little unsafe. So I decided to go with an anti-theft bag for our day-to-day bag. This is from Travelon, which specializes in these kind of bags. They have a million different styles. So if a tote is not your thing, they've got bags that are more modern looking, that look more like purses. I wanted something that would carry a camera, a journal, snacks for the day, maybe an iPad, just all kinds of things. Okay, so what are some of the features of this?
Front pocket for just maybe your quick, maybe you put a cell phone up there.
Well, the cool thing about this, it just looks like a cool kind of worn tote bag, but it's got some fancy little features. It's got anti-slash fabric. The fabric actually has a mesh inside of it. You can't see it at all, but you can feel it if you run your hand over it. It's like a metal mesh. It has anti-slash straps. The straps are really nice and thick. It also has lockable zippers, so nobody can, when you're not paying attention, grab that and try to open it.
Right. It's a lot harder, a lot more work.
Yeah.
They could do it, but
you'd have to be really good at it. So for the outdoor pocket, it's got lockable. For the top pocket, for the top pocket zipper, it's got lockable zipper. It's RFID protection, whatever that means. It can't read your information. Inside is an open area, and then it's got a zippered area inside, and then 2 pockets, maybe for sunglasses and phone. It's got a little key fob. Oh, with a little flashlight. Well, that is super handy. You can see right in there. Right, the back it's not lockable. So this is going to be your inside pocket that goes against your body. So once again, a little journal, small point and shoot camera. It's got these little, okay. So I'm already learning new things about this. So if you're at a cafe and you kind of want to have this on the back of your chair, you have to actually push it over for this to come off. So someone can't just grab it. If you put it kind of around the leg or around the back of a chair, you have to push it over and lock it, and then it doesn't open back up. So
just little things that
so lots of little
safety things that you might not think about.
So this is from Travelon. This is the Heritage.
You have to edit that out for sure.
The Heritage. And like I said, the Heritage is like a worn look. And this really appealed to me because it doesn't look like an anti-theft bag. It just looks like a nice bag to tool around for the day in. But they have a lot of different styles. So if you're wanting something like an anti-theft, definitely check out Travelon. They're a little pricey. It's definitely more expensive than just a normal tote bag, but I think the extra features make it well worth it. All right, what do we got next?
That's it. Oh, kidding.
So this is a bag that we actually got. I got it for Disney trips too, but I think it's going to be really good for our upcoming trip as like a personal item on the plane. And this is just from Amazon. It's Mirazen, but I think they come by all different brand names. This is, and it's got the same kind of worn look as the other one. I'm into that with the straps and the buckles and stuff. So we've got an outdoor, it's got a zip and a buckle. So
outside.
Outdoor. It's got an outside pocket with a zip and magnetic latches, right? But it kind of has that cool vintage look. It's got this on the top, maybe lip balm and phone. It has a laptop sleeve, so I think up to 15-inch laptop sleeve. It's got your little pens, a little thing for pens, and just all kinds of stuff. And then it's just got a big open area. There's a little pocket on the side for maybe a mini tripod. One thing I like about this bag is the zip up. Like if you don't have anything in there, or if you have something kind of small, this can stay zipped. If you want to have your water bottle.
Because I think what ends up happening a lot of times, they have the elastic on some of these on the side, and after a few years, the elastic starts to give way. So like if you do have a water bottle, it could fall out. So with the zip, that does definitely, or like if you're not putting a water bottle in the ones that have the elastic, that like, well, you could just lose that real easily, whatever you put in the side. It's got padded
things, and it also has the pass-through, so you can put this on top of your luggage as well.
And then a little pocket back here.
Oh yeah.
To put little, like maybe your phone or your passport or something that's gonna keep close to you.
So another cool thing about this bag, it has a little charging port on the side, so you can just have a portable battery inside the bag and then just plug your device in and not worry about having to have your charger all the time. So that's just an extra little cool thing about this bag. All right, guys. Well, that is our travel bag haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to start sharing more details of our trip. And you know, we're going to vlog most of it.
Yeah.
And so we're just basically in our planning stages now.
Yeah, June 2020. This is February 2020 when we're filming this.
Well, thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time, adventurers. Bye.
Okay.